Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet for weight loss. Start by choosing high-protein, low-calorie ingredients like 1 whole egg plus egg whites, leafy greens, and lean protein. Whisk gently with a splash of milk or water and season lightly. Preheat a non-stick pan on medium-low, cook vegetables first, pour eggs, fold carefully, and serve with a side of salad or whole grain toast for balance. Keep portions focused to support weight loss without feeling deprived. Use 1 whole egg plus 2 egg whites to boost protein and lower calories, and load the omelet with veggies for fiber. Limit cheese to a tablespoon or skip it, and add fresh herbs and spices for flavor. Pair with a slice of whole grain toast or a small fruit, serving to increase fullness and steady energy through the morning. Master gentle heat and timing so your omelet stays tender and satisfying. Use a non-stick pan with a teaspoon of oil and cook over medium-low, stirring vegetables first, then pouring eggs and letting them set slowly. Remove from heat just before fully cooked to allow carryover cooking and avoid dryness. Season with spices like paprika and black pepper and make several portions ahead to simplify.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.